Multi-step multiplication. There are 8 third grade students. Each student brings 9 cans of food for the Thanksgiving food drive. If 12 cans of food are beans, how many cans of food are not cans of beans? So to do this problem, I know I need to find out how many total cans the third grade students collected. So I'm going to multiply 8 times 9 because each of 8 students brought 9 cans of food. To solve 8 times 9, I created an array. An array is a set of objects that has equal numbers of rows and columns. And so my array is 8 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, with 9 in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Since it would take a long time to count all the objects in this array, I'm going to use the distributive property or the break apart property and make 2 smaller arrays. Since I know that it's really easy to multiply by 5, I decided to break the 9, which is a factor, into 5 plus 4. So now I have a 5 by 8 or an 8 by 5. You can do it either way because of the commutative property of multiplication, which says I can switch the order of the factors and the product remains the same. 5 times 8 equals 40. And over here, I have 4 times 8, and that equals 32. So I take these 2 partial products and I add them together. So the third grade students collected 72 cans of food for the food drive. 12 of them are beans, so 60 cans are not beans. Thank you for listening to me solve this problem.